Cheating app for married and attached. Safe, secure and anonymous. Safe and secure. Security and safety are number one at Victoria Milan. Our crackerjack team of expert computer security specialists have created a system that even governments would be envious of. Verified users. Each user is verified through Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, or elsewhere. Panic button. Avoid your spouse surprising you in the middle of an online flirt. Press the panic button. World's #1 cheating app for married and attached. Safe.
Thousands of married and attached cheating tonight. Sign up for free. Try 100% free and anonymously.